Boom. DJ Dreadbeard.
Every morning I wake up, I try jump the wall.
Free fire PUBG badness.
PUBG, free fire that I for free.
Yes.
Because it makes me pick me.
Sure.
The graphics favor Disney.
Sponge are informer. And so no done call out Arms House record owner the name already. So guess what? And a badness so me know if you fax the police are watching right now. Don't be surprised.
Bro fraud use a big traitor. Real bully to your people. Dictator. Changes but your promise should be still wait for. Bolt run freeway and them rob him one bag of food. Mr. Bro fraud who heartless like a youth.
No, the tune the bad.
Yo, the tune the bad for real. The tune the name For Sale by Yaksta and Silk Boss. The man them a beat Andrew Holness wicked. So if you don't love rebel music, you can go check it out. You see me? It name For Sale. The only problem I have with Yaksta, you know, stop link with footer hype. You see me? And people will take you more serious. And Silk Boss a bad artist, you know. But him just need to get him priorities straight, you see me? Yeah, a lot of people feel like say everybody with this Vybz Kartel me start this them and no, I know so it go. It's a music channel and we report per music same way. But Silk Boss is just misguided, you see me? But a bad artist same way don't. Cause Silk Boss chat a bag of things in the song too. Two of them go hard. And speaking of Silk Boss just get him US visa.
American style.
Big up yourself, Silk Boss. Just do the right thing, cause we say you're misguided. You see me? Yeah, but him just get him US visa, so congrats to Silk Boss. We see Gaza HQ forward out, and him a burn a fire pan Sponge, aka community pool. The man say him rich and they in a community pool. I bear that me see in the comment section pan the last videos. Yo, the man do one video and get a bag of name. So is SpongeBob SquarePants aka Mr. Public Pool or Mr. Community Pool. Anyone of them who want to call him. Yeah, but Gaza HQ exposed say it look like say the man them want to take the war with Mavado to the streets. And a whole heap of informing him go on with in the last video where him in the pool. You see me? One bag of informing. So we are going to hear where Gaza HQ a say. You see me? Jano and the gamers them PUBG and Call of Duty, the man they make a song off of Vybz Kartel Victory. I say you know when a song bad, you know. Yes, when a song bad, or when a song hit, people always build song off of it, whether a counteraction or them copy it word to word. The man make an entire song from start to finish. Victory. We are going to play that also, you see me? And Vybz Kartel still move the economy every time him go to somebody country and perform. So a key man that I say, yo, Vybz Kartel improve them economy. Me think only they say a prison hype when Vybz Kartel do Freedom Street and no more Airbnb and hotel and rental service never left in a Kingston. Only if a private jet fly in and the tourism ministry say, yo, Kingston economy get a boots. From off of Freedom Street, them a credit Vybz Kartel. Well, at first, them did a credit Joe alone and then them turn around and credit Vybz Kartel. You see me? See Vybz Kartel after 2 years, just undo a show in a Cayman and them a credit Vybz Kartel for move the economy again. Remember say all over Malta, the man do it to man everywhere. Whether it's a first world country, a third world country, Vybz Kartel move the economy everywhere him go. Anyway, people, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like up the video, share the video. And if you want to support the channel, you can drop a super thanks in the comment section or join the membership. You see me? The link to the membership, hit there in the comment section, or you can just hit the join button. If you don't know how to drop a super thanks or how to hype up the video, see the instruction that been run across the screen. You see me? People, today, we are going to drink a shot of Unstoppable. Straight vibes, Unstoppable. Don't go nowhere. I'm soon forward.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.
One give it attitude. Youth want fly. Fry so go a Guadeloupe. Them sell out the herbs that we use. Make it baba root.
Yo, the world a change, you fuck. Yeah, man, the world a change. One time people did value hard work and success. Now people are hype up the lazy. People are hype up laziness. People are hype up excuses. People are hype up. When I tell me people all say, no billionaire nothing exists, bring down billionaire. pussy hole. Who make you lazy and who make you lazy and worthless in a life? A next human being, or you make yourself lazy and worthless? One time people used to celebrate greatness as a virtue, success as a virtue. Now people want you to celebrate poor and humble. Oh, I'm humbly. Go suck your mother. Me not humble. Dark me dark. You hear dance man say. Humble to God though. Me hate and God no like lazy. God no like ugly. That's how I push out God out of conversation. I want chat every other else fuckery. No move on a lazy blood clot and go find purpose.
Me no understand how them a burn out rich people and every day them want rich. Every day people do something to become rich. So how you burn out rich? Why, you have a limitation to the amount of money where you want to make? Anyway, so the Cayman Compass report that the Cayman Islands economy receive a $500,000 boost thanks to the success of the Out of This World Music Festival in May featuring Vybz Kartel and Nelly. According to early figures, the concert held in Caymanas Bay Festival Green had a record attendance of around 9,600 music fans, making it one of Cayman's largest event. Yeah, and them say if you want to read the full article, but you see me, them say if you want to read the full article, but we just want two main topics. We get the official numbers. Whole heap of numbers did that throw around. Some people have said 6, some people have said 20,000. See the official numbers there. 9,600. And are the biggest. That is the main takeaway, you know. That are the biggest event we ever keep a Cayman. I think them extend the venue and thing because the venue, if you look it up, at 6,000 at the capacity. And a lot of Cayman people link me and say, yo, them extend the venue, man. Remember, you know, Google now go tell us them extend the venue. So if I look it up, people are going to say, based off of Google, a 6,000 people Vybz Kartel pull. So if a 6,000 people Vybz Kartel pull, how we move the economy? Not because him do something special, man. You see me? And prison marketing, and them did I run with this big 20k number, you know, until people all are try to be disrespectful and I say, guys, and I know numbers and, yeah, but you don't have to. You don't have by whole heap. But anyway, that is Jamaican journalism for you see me? And the haters, them not have no credibility same way. So them are going to say anything. But that is the actual number. That's why me never did that to do no back and forth with nobody. Because me know say the venue extend and the venue is a 6,000 venue. So Vybz Kartel still a create history everywhere him go. And the second takeaway from it, he moved the economy. You see me? So it's not a Vybz Kartel in concert because a Vybz Kartel and Nelly, but we all know say yo Nelly no do nothing, bro. Nobody never pay no big money for go see Nelly. A Vybz Kartel, but them have to write it the right way. A Vybz Kartel and Nelly was the headliner. But Nelly got there all the while. Beyonce, other artists got there all the while. I don't know if when Beyonce got there, them right up and say the economy get a boost too. I don't know, so I can't say nothing. And when me no know, but all me know say everywhere Vybz Kartel go, them right up say the economy get a boots. Even in a Malta, bro. In a England, bro. Anywhere the man go. So that is the difference when Vybz Kartel they on a festival or they on a concert with other people than when Shaggy and Sean Paul and people take credit for it. Vybz Kartel can literally take credit. As a matter of fact, him not take no credit. At them I give him the credit. You see the difference? When Shaggy and Sean Paul are showing the people crowd than when Vybz Kartel they on a festival. People are give him the credit. So that is the difference, you see me? So that is the takeaway from the liquor right up there. Big up yourself again, Vybz Kartel. No matter what them do, them can't stop you. Unstoppable runaway train. That's why I'm telling you, say drink a shot. A unstoppable straight vibes for the one year. You see me? Cheers to the world boss.
Me don't did I tell him. Say the first gun game name James One better.
Yeah.
Big back TV, no antenna, free fire brightness, make you blind forever.
Yo, people, me I go drop that over members only, you see me? Because I use the original rhythm and just for avoid the copyright claim, me I go just drop it over members only, because members only have the advantage there where you can play a song and not get copyright because I not monetize it. So me I drop that over members only, plus YouTube do some adjustment to members only, so me I go on a quick update over members only, you see me? So anyway, me could hear where Gaza HQ a say, the dog a say something, you know. It look like so the man about this Vybz brawling and want to take it to the streets.
Mavado, them say if you never mingle with dog, you would catch flea. Imagine you took up a little pissy tail artist under your wing. When you all a dancehall turn them back pan him and look them now. Everybody over there say, Alkaline bigger than you. Sponge make a video and I say, if you're bad, make a step. You see it? Them have a saying, yes, when people are drown, Lord, they make them drown. Because look pan pissy tail Alkaline now ready for write off your career. Yeah? Look into it, Mavado. Remember, you know, if Sponge never get the go ahead, if he do that live there and talk where him talk, you know, him would do it. So remember, say Alka give me go ahead. Remember, Alka fire shot pan you. We already know where I go on. All because you help a little pissy tail artist. Sponge informer, you know. Because everybody know who responds to Arms House record. And the man just get released from prison and get deported out here. I mean, no fear fact say. Police are watching man. Look, the Sponge. Sponge call up a man name in a badness because Sponge want to take it to the street. But Sponge, let me say this to you, Sponge. Thank God Kartel change. Thank God Kartel change because Sponge you da get licked on your mouth long time. Because my sister, you know want to keep it musical. My sister, you know want to keep it musical, Sponge. Sponge, you forgot. You totally forgot the Gully and Gaza thing. You forgot too much people dead. You feel like say it was a play thing? Sponge. Ease off I coke. Ease off I coke. Because we already know blind's not bad. Blind's not bad. And so no don't call out Arms House record owner the name already. So guess what? I'm not badness so me know if you fax the police are watching right now. Don't be surprised if police call him in for question. Because guess what? You call up the man name in a badness. Oh, nobody in a real life and he take it to the street and all type of thing. When the man should have out here at the pan safe track, you out here call up him name. Sponge are informer. And back to Blinds. Blinds, remember, you know bad. Blinds, remember, them call you in for questioning. As you get released, you run away. Make you think you know they are Jamaica that after run, you run away. Them call you in for questioning and lock your feet weekend and you run away. And nobody feel like we forgot dark power situation too. Nothing hide in Jamaica. Remember say dark power make you have to run up and down. You pay how much extortion. You pay how much money for walk free pan road blinds, you know bad. Don't make Sponge boots you up. Do not make Sponge boots you up blinds. You understand? Because none over there camp no bad.
Oh, you say Gaza HQ. Alkaline act like a Dan or a Donovan. I send out man figure this Vado. Hey, I wonder if Alkaline want to 13 years in a prison to as a Dan. You see me? Hey, you see the first year he go to prison, they tell them run left him. Because first of all, not even shade Gaza nation I go shade him again. Him gone and forgotten because if nobody not talk about him now, vybzkartel have beat people with the tall belt and like on a set on the back for get beaten. And so people are talk about you know, cause from what they are massacre alone I get the beating, you know. And as me say in the last video, you know, I like a jealous, the man them jealous, you know. Say a massacre alone I get the beating. The man them want beaten too. So uno fall right off. And if you depend on vybzkartel, like uno still I try attach on a name from vybzkartel for be talked about, bro. So imagine if you go to prison. A streets you know want to take this, bro. I inform pan man and I call up man name and something. Me say I wonder if a prison them want to send Alkaline. But anyway, people, we have reached the end. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like up the video, share the video. And if you want to support the channel, you can drop a super thanks in the comment section or join the membership. I would prefer you join the membership. That's how you support me as a content creator and how you support this channel long term. You see me? You see the thumbnail on the screen of your vlog what I do yesterday. If you don't watch it yet, you just click on the thumbnail and watch the latest video. I'm DJ Dreadbeard signing out.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.